Renovation update, guys. As you can see, I'm pointing at what used to be a garage door, but now there is a wall, and that wall has a lot of insulation in it, which is great. We'll come in here, and I don't want to step on it right now, so I won't go too far, but they got more insulation, they did more cleanup, and I don't know if you've noticed, but they put plywood on the floor to level it. It looks really good. I haven't been here for a week, so they've done a lot. I was at my in-laws. If you've been watching my stuff, then you'd know. They also, here we go, look at that. They put the door in, actually, to the whole thing, and they also put the little door sill, whatever that's called. Perfect. We got all that. Turn around here to the laundry room where the stacker is going to go. And if you look here, they have put in insulation for that wall as well, which is great. The stuff they threw in here to level it, it's all dry. Everything is all level. They sanded it down a bit. All the piping is completely finished, which to my excitement, because that was the biggest job pretty much. And wow, I'm surprised because there's a lot that they've done. We're going to go into the other room because the electrician came and I noticed a few things. So let's just go in here. All right. Close that. Excuse me. So up here, they added a new area, a new light. Basically, this light is going to be motion censored. So when my grandparents come out of that room, which is going to be their room, because they're older and it's harder for them to see, that light will automatically turn on. So, you know, less accidents, right? Then we come in here, and here is the old light that we had. It was gross, it was messed up, it was full of bugs, you name it. They threw in this nice little improved boob light. Looks a little fancier. We've actually had this thing in the house for years. Somebody gave it to us as a gift, which is a very weird gift. They were probably telling us something like our lights needed updating. But you know what? We used it. So I don't even remember who gave this to us, but you know what? It came in handy. All right. Among that, they also figured out the electrical under there for the dishwasher that's coming, which is going to be nice. They got that done. There were some baseboards in the other rooms that needed to be pulled out. Just like the baseboards down here got pulled out. They got that out, which is good. And then the plumber had to come back to finish a few other things. But like I said, the plumbing is completely done. Some of the plumbing actually they had to do through this little closet here. So if I open the closet, turn the light on, there's all the pipes that actually go into the garage and the bathroom and all that. And for some reason they tie into here. And the plumber did not like it. He said it was horrible and he hated when houses did that. And now just one little peek at the garbage pile and there is none. Still continue to be clean. And the only reason I show you this is because it's beautiful. I love when there's no dirt. I love when there's no junk. I can't wait for this place to be finished. And again, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll have some more frequent updates once I'm back from the cabin, because tomorrow, that's where I'm going.